dealing with hiccups? Here's a short video on how you can stop that bothersome hiccup. Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of your vocal cords, which produces the characteristic hic sound. Here's how you can easily get rid of it. Prepare a glass of water. Pinch your nose and make sure no air gets in or out. Drink water slowly while holding your breath and pinching your nose. You will most likely belch or burp right after drinking. Now, a belch or a burp is your sign that you got rid of your hiccup. Your hiccup should be gone at this time. We hope this trick will help you every time you get hiccups. Share with your friends too. Don't forget to comment and click or tap the subscribe button below. Thanks and God bless.